it's me again. Okay, so here's my grandma. There's the dog right there. There's the duck right there. Somebody riding the full dirt bike right there. There's my brother. My grandma's fishing. Maybe it'd be funny if I caught you while you were fishing, and you caught a fish.
It's down.
Goodbye. Alright, sorry. So I just decided to do another video for something, but so I did, and I've just been happy today and stuff. MJ, stop eating that stuff. I'm like stop.
Look, baby, got fish, MJ.
Baby, let me see it. Bring it over here. Baby, bring it here. Bring it here. Let me vlog it. Let me fake vlog it. He swallowed the hook. Swallowed the hook? Yeah. Move. Okay, so y'all seen that fish. So we're just chilling in the car. And I'm gonna add this video with the other one, probably. I'm gonna try to. And so, yes.
Oh, shoot.
And
pull up, MJ, so you can see him.
And I'll vlog again. You caught another one? You didn't caught another one, Mimi? Let me see. Show the bucket. Let's see the whole bucket. Cameron, show the whole bucket. Bring it over here.
See, it's in this dark area.
Ooh, take a video of the baby one. Okay, so I'll show you the baby one. Alright, Cameron, bring it over here. Hold it. That's the baby. I'm looking it up. Ew, you're nasty. But yes, that's my baby. And so we're just still sitting here. We just moved to another place. So, cause she's finding bucket fishes. Huh? Oh, okay. So when we get over there, I'll show you the pigs, cause they're running now. I see the pigs run in there. The fat pig too.
Mm-hmm.
Of course pigs are fat. Stupid.
Not fat.
The black pig. The black pig was running. And its baby was running. And so, they're in the shade right now. Shed.
I am not.
Oh, and so, what?
Look, MJ, look.
Oh, you caught another fish!
You want to follow it? Huh?
He swallowed it too.
That's her new fishing pole.
Alright, I'll get it. Like you get my damn hook back.
She'll get it. She got to pull out guts and all.
Let it rip.
Yeah.
Are you bleeding?
Pull my cord down.
Are you bleeding?
Mhm.
Why you don't think this? That?
Huh?
Well.
Because that's why they swallow the hook. Because I'm fishing deep and then don't realize that they got it.
Mm.
You know, my cord was just moving around on top of the water. And
Don't you think about it, Cameron. Alright, watch. Here she goes again.
I'm a pro at
Look at Jay.
telling people where to fish at.
Look at Mimi's butt. Look at it.
Ugh.
Mimi, Aaliyah?
That was gross.
Ooh. Oh.
What?
Nina just put her mouth on that thing out of that water.
Oh.
I do that sometimes.
You need to brush your teeth extra tonight.
If I get sick, y'all know it. You can parasite in this water.
Oh!
MJ, you was like 20 minutes late on that one, son.
That is... Oh! Oh! I know, not see. There's really a bass in here. And if you catch one, a big one, keep it for me. A fish. What fish? Get me fish. Me. You get fish. You get a lot of money. You need to get a lot of money and then buy more fishing equipment. Mama. Daddy. Buy some really cool. Mama.
I just need you to put them.
Alright, so we're trying to be quiet. So she can get a bunch of fish for us to eat tonight. But I don't eat fish. For some reason, I don't like fish. But, fishes are... I don't like fishes, but I like to catch them. I washed my hands, so... And now let's get ready. Look, there's a rainbow on the screen. Y'all can see it. So, Cameron! You want to order the gummy pizza when we get home?
Yeah, sure.
Mama, me and Cameron need to order this gummy pizza from Bat19. Bat19.com. It's only $11.99. It's only $12.
$11.99.
Yeah, Mama, I can pay for it.
How much money do you have? It's huge. But they send it in a pizza box.
But see, when you order stuff like that, you don't know how fresh it is. You don't know what these people put in it.
Mom, I know Bat19. I watch him all the time.
Excuse me, ma'am. You are really brave.
Alright, when the snake is you, don't say nothing. And I'm gonna vlog if you do.
Cameron, don't you even think about it, young man.
Alright, Cameron, you get anybody to say it's gonna be funny. You are my player.